are topics that have been trial and error before the topic today. Hello, I am Park Hyun-soo of the Veterinary Medicine of JEJU National University. My theme is the iris diagnosis tell the stress level of the horse. Have you ever heard that animals recognize emotional and painful beings, recognize the need for animal welfare and eradicate animal cruelty? It was claimed in the 2003 World Declaration on Animal Welfare and the 2007 World Health Organization declared its endorsement. Recently, the importance of animal welfare has been highlighted in Korea. So, what is the real situation? Have animal welfare been properly investigated? Today, I want to talk about a way to investigate the state of animal welfare in Korea. There are many animal species, but I will talk about horse, because more than one death occurs each year in the horse industry. The horse is the most contact with strangers in the horse race. Therefore, I want to know the animal welfare state of a horse. Through the diagnosis of iris, I will discuss a device to find out how much stress a horse has had. Stress is a word derived from Latin, which means taxation, tension, restraint. Recently, the definition of stress is adaptation to stress. If resolution is required but not managed properly, it is a process that can induce an individual disease. The iris is the area between the pupil and the white part of the eye. It has different characteristics such as shape, color, depth, and so on. The feature of this iris is called the fingerprint of the eye. Through the eye, it is possible to analyze individuals' constitution, level of health, response to medical treatment and progress, and physical and chemical changes in the tissue before the disease appears in the body. This is in preventive medicine. The following photograph represents representative resin sign used in iris. Lacunar, alkoxanils, autonomic nerve ring, contractile furrow. The lacunar is an oval shape and represents signs of weakness varying in width and range. It is divided into a closed tear hole and an open tear hole according to the shape of the arc formed. The alkoxanils are thick, opaque leaf rings that are white or yellowish, surrounding the iris edge. This is a cardiovascular risk signal associated with lipid or lipid metabolites. The autonomic nerve ring is the boundary between the pupil and sympathetic nerve that is dominated by the parasympathetic nerve, and is observed and analyzed in the order of size, thickness, and color. Contraction furrows are round rings usually located outside the ciliary body, and are called nerve rings or stress rings. Physical and psychological stress is an excessive stimulus on the sympathetic nerve system and affects the tension of the dilated pupil. The stress ring is caused by the simultaneous relaxation of the sphincter muscle in the iris and contraction of the expanding muscle, resulting in the formation of central wrinkles and sparse vulvae. The stress ring can be used to measure stress by iris diagnosis. It can create a binarized image showing only the stress ring. How can I assess the stress level of the picture? The number of cases where the stress ring exists in each region is counted without considering the case where the stress ring is broken. The radio of the number of pixels representing the stress ring among the pixels of the entire image can be analyzed. This data is based on questionnaire survey and is divided into high stress, moderate stress, and low stress. A total of 34 patients were obtained with a minimum detect effect of 60% and statistical significance of 95%. The higher the stress is felt, the more the number of stress rings increases. What about using this test by horse? One thing to note before applying the content is that there are iris granules in the eyes of the horse. In the iris recognition step, this part should be carefully programmed. The idea is as follows. 1. Analyze the stress ring appearing on the iris of the horse. 2. Represent the image in binary form and analyze it in the same way. 3. Find the means of stress ring that appears and investigate. 4. Evaluate the stress level using the obtained data. There is a company called Hongbok among Korean companies. This company succeeds in miniaturizing and simplifying iris diagnostic device. Customized to such company, it is possible to make a simple and compact device. In conclusion, you can evaluate the stress level of a horse. This is reference page.